Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar and today we are going to talk about energy. We all have a lot of energy and we spend it like anything. When we get into a fight with somebody, when we study, when we talk, we are spending energy every single second of our life. Now let me compare energy with the money that we deposit in our bank. Every morning, let's say, you get a fixed amount deposited in your account every single day. And now for the entire day you have to spend it. You have to spend it all. You cannot save it, you cannot store it, you just have to spend that entire money throughout the day. What would you do? You would be spending it very cautiously so that you do not end up spending the entire thing in the morning itself or by the afternoon. You would want to spend it in an equal distribution. And you would be very careful when you are spending it, because a reckless spending could cause you to get exhausted, end up having no money. So you will make sure that you are spending it in an equally distributed pattern. You are very thoughtful about where you are spending that money, because you have very limited amount deposited in your account every morning, and now you have to keep it till the end of the day. That is what exactly happens with our energy. Every morning when we get up, we get a fixed amount of energy deposited in our account, and now we have to spend it throughout the day. How do we spend these energies? Every time we make a decision, we spend energy. Every time we get into a fight, we spend a lot of energy. Every time we get into a tough decision making process, we spend a lot of energy. Every time we get emotional or we do something that connects with our brain and is emotional about ourselves, we spend a lot of energy. So no matter what we are doing, whether we are trying to choose what to eat, where to spend, what to do with the money, whatever choices we are making throughout the day is making us spend our energy. So what would the best option or way be to save on that energy? You got me right. By making less choices, by selecting fewer things. You would have seen Elon Musk, no, not Elon Musk, I would say Mark Zuckerberg or Steve Jobs or a lot of these people. They have been wearing the same clothes every single day. So do you think that they cannot afford changing clothes every day? But what they do is they want to spend less energy by not spending time or not spending energy on choosing what to wear today. Similarly, on choosing what to eat, or similarly by choosing what to do today. They have a planned life. They've planned every single thing in their life, so that they are not unnecessarily spending energy on things that is not of much value. They are very much careful and cautious about spending their energy, because they have got it in limited amount and they have to do a lot. So when we have got something in a very limited amount and we have to spend it all, what do? We become very cautious and we only spend it at places where we think it would create more value to us. We spend energy only at places that would create more value to us. I would say in a different way, we only spend energy where we are not spending, but we are investing. We invest our energy so that it gives us future benefits. Because it is limited, Money is not limited. We can earn money. We can get in new money every day. But energy is limited. You won't get more of it, you won't get less of it. That is the exact amount that you would be getting every single day. So when you spend it cautiously, and you actually do not spend it, you start investing it. You make sure that wherever you are spending your energy is for the purpose of being used for some future, is for the purpose of having a better future. That energy grows multiple times. So that is how you spend energy. That is how you remain cautious about your energy. Make sense? So how would you be spending your energy from tomorrow? Rather from today, how are you going to spend your energy? Doing things that do not require your focus or attention? Still spending energy on those? No, definitely not. So we will try to understand henceforth that what are the things that will not require spending energy from tomorrow. Things that might be automated, things that be processed oriented, will not have to spend energy over there. So figure that out and work out on that for yourself. Have a good day.